Hello everyone, this is Ishant here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Computer Science. In this video tutorial, I will be sharing my Android phone screen to show you how you can install Python in your Android phone. So let's start. Firstly, you have to go to Play Store, make sure that you have mobile data, that is the internet connection. Then you have to go to Play Store, you have to type there pydroid pydroid 3. Okay, here you will find the official pydroid 3. You have to install it. Please wait a while. It will take some time, depends on your phone. Okay, now the open button is flashing here. It means it is now installed correctly. Let's open it. Okay, click on let's start. It depends upon your knowledge that whether you are already familiar to the Python or not. If you are not, I am absolutely new to this. Click continue. Then I am learning or I am planning to learn. Then you can take the different options here. If you want to take, you can go or preserve files on exit, so that when you exit, uh, the files must be saved and all. Then dark theme and all that. Then give a continue consent here. Then what type of programs you are planning for, say simple terminal and web programs. Okay, you can also check the graphical user interface programs also and all that, but the simple terminal will be the best one. Click on continue. Since you are the beginner, no, you are not required to pay anything. Okay, so when you will go to the top portion, there you will find a cross button or close button. Give a close. In this way you have installed the pandas, or sorry, Python, not pandas. Okay, let us try to execute simple program. Print hello Python. Okay, hello Python. Now to get the output, so as you can see, a simple printing message program we have written. Now in the same way we can use the Python pandas feature here. Python pandas, we already know that Python pandas is the data structure of Python for data analysis. To insert or to install the pandas library, click on the three buttons here. Then go to the pip. After that, the name of the library you have to give here. We are looking for pandas. In small, you have to write pandas, pandas, so that you can install the pandas library. Click on install. When you will click on install button, it will take some time, depends upon the network speed and your phone architecture, but it will hardly take 1 minute, maximum to maximum 1 minute to install the pandas library in your Android phone. Please wait for some seconds also. Okay, it is now installing. Okay, complete message has been displayed here. So the final message has been uh, shown here, successfully installed. So in this way we can install the pandas. Now let's try to install matplotlib also. Matplotlib, matplotlib. It's also a library of Python that deals with the data visualization. Okay, Please wait for few seconds. Complete message has been displayed here again. It means this library has also imported here. Now we can create the pandas series data structure programs here along with the matplotlib library programs. So in this way we can write and we can install Python pandas in Android operating system. So let's try to write a simple pandas program. First of all, we are importing the library pandas here as we have already installed. Import pandas as give alias as pd. After that, say you are creating an object, say ser1, that represents the series, equals to pd dot series series. Okay, let us say we are passing some elements here, say one not, say anything, say 45, 78, 90, 67. Okay, these are the elements, data elements that we have passed here in series. Now let's try to print and check whether the pandas library is installed or not. So I will write here ser1 and let's check it out. How we will check it? By clicking the green button here. Here you will see that 0, 1, 2, 3. Three indexes are there along with the outputs 45, 78, 90 and 67 with the D type and 64 is there. So in this way we can conclude that we have Python pandas installed in our Android phone. So this was all about this video lecture. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.